Hey students, hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Your educator is back with another session of mnemonics in which I'll be telling you how to remember table 9.2 which is present on page number 175, class 12th, biology NCERT. Chapter is strategies for enhancement in food production. इस टेबल को याद करने में होती है डिफ़िकल्टी. सो हाउ टू रिमेंबर row 1. What is it? Row 1 is Pusa Gaurav, which is a variety of crop. Aphids is a insect or pest जो कि इस क्रॉप को डैमेज करेगा. Brassica is crop name and it's a rapeseed mustard. ट्रिक क्या है? Gaurav and aphids for and Brassica is Brahmi. Gaurav and Brahmi are wrappers. Gaurav और Brahmi wrappers हैं, right? Moving towards your second row, flat bean, which is a crop name. Jacid is again an insect or pest which is damaging this crop. Pusa Sem 2 and Pusa Sem 3 is a variety. Aphids again an insect or pest and fruit borer is also insect. So इसके लिए what's the trick? Mr. Bean, flat bean, say Mr. Bean, Jacid, just, Pusa Sem 2 and Pusa Sem 3 passed. Mr. Bean just passed second and third semester and got fruits. Flat bean, say Mr. Bean. Jacid is for just. Pusa Sem 2 and Sem 3 passed second and third semester. Aphids for and fruit got fruits. So this is how you need to learn and remember. Third one is Pusa Savani, which is again a variety. Bhindi crop का नाम है. Fruit borer is insect or pest which is damaging this crop. Pusa A4 is again a variety and shoot borer is an insect. Trick क्या है? सवानी. सवानी किसी गर्ल का नाम ले लेते हैं. सवानी बाइड. भिंडी को आपकी साइंटिफिक लैंग्वेज में बोला जाता है ओकरा. सो सवानी बाइड ओकरा. Savani bite okra. What else? Fruits and A4 sheets. Pusa Savani is Savani. Let's take this as a girl. Savani. Bhindi for bite. Bhindi का scientific name is okra. She also bite fruits. फ्रूट बोरर इंसेक्ट के नाम से याद रखेंगे एंड A4 शीट्स. एंड दिस इज हाउ यू नीड टू रिमेंबर दिस टेबल. आई होप दिस टेबल इज हेल्पफुल फॉर you guys. If it is, then stay tuned to this channel for more upcoming videos.